Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's select these character elements. Select these foots, hair, back, body, head, and hand 1, hand 2, umbrella. Let's see. Okay, and right click, pre-compose, add name, character, and click OK. So go to click region of interest and choose region like this. And go to composition, choose crop contour region of interest. So let's animate this character, but I will use only expressions, not keyframes. First one, let's prepare anchor points. Select this body, go to solo, and select anchor point and move it down. Clickation tool, unsolo, select head layer, go to solo, and move the anchor point down. Select hand 1, go to solo, move the anchor point down, and hand 2, again go to solo, move it down, and umbrella, go to solo, and move the anchor point down. Okay, so select umbrella, let's link to hand 1. Select hand 1, link to hand 2. And select this hand 2, let's link to body. Select head layer, link to also body. And hair back, link to head. Okay, now let's animate with wiggles. Select this body, press R, open rotation, and hold Alt, go to rotation icon. And let's write here wiggle 1, 6. And for down expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, not bad. We can change this 6 4 for more slowly. Not bad. So select this rotation, go to edit and copy expression only. And select this head layer, press R, open rotation, choose rotation, and go to edit and paste. Let's see. We can open here rotation, and here is our expression. So we can change this 6. Okay, and select this hand 2, press R, choose rotation, and edit, paste. Okay, and hand 1, press R, to rotation, edit, and paste expressions. Nice, very good. It's very easy way for create complete animation for save hours. Select umbrella, press R, rotation, edit, and paste. Nice. So our animation is done. Let's close composition and choose this character, and let's put here. Okay, now let's animate this background tree. Select layer 3, 4, go to solo, and go to FX Presets, search effect bender, select CC bender, use for layer 3, 4. And let's prepare these points. And hold Alt, go to amount, let's click for open expression, right wiggle 1, 15. And click here for down expression. Let's see. Not bad. We can change this 20. Let's see. Nice. So in this time, let's go to CC bender, let's copy and unsolo layer 3, 4, select other layers 3, 3, 2, and 1. Let's Ctrl V for paste. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So in this time, select this layer 1 about a 3, go to solo, and move the anchor point down. And clickation tool, press R, open rotation, hold Alt, click here for open expression, right wiggle 1, 10. Let's see speed. Let's unsolo. We can change this 20. Okay, and select rotation, go to edit, again copy expression only. And select this layer 3, 2, and 3. Press R, open rotations, and select rotations. Go to edit and paste. Okay, let's go to back and select this layer 3 2. Move the anchor point to down like this, and layer 3, this 3 layer, move to here. And preview animation. Okay, we have problem here, let's fix it. Select this layer 3 and go to CC Bender, and let's move to here, and this move to here. Let's say again. And also open rotation, change this 10. Nice, it works. And we can change this rotation like this. Okay, that's good. So in this time, select this layer 3, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's link to main tree. And select main tree. Move the anchor point to down. Ankylization tool. And press R, open rotation. Choose rotation. Go to edit and paste expressions. And open expression. Change this 10. Let's change this 5. I think not bad. Okay, so in this time let's add rain animation. I will use After Effects default simulations. Let's go to layer, new and adjustment layer. Change name rain and go to FX Preset search FXCC rain and choose rainfall. Let's use for rain adjustment layer. And we can control here drops like this and sizes and scene depth and speed and wind. Let's change wind. Okay, let's change quality for now quarter for fast working and preview animation. Nice. I feel this wind, rain and all ambience. That's good. So in this time, let's create street lamp animation. Select this light and go to solo and go to shape layers. Hold this icon, choose this render rectangle tool and let's add one rectangle here. Ankylization tool, color, let's choose like this yellow and go to FX Preset search effect CC and choose CC Radial Fast Blur. Let's use for the shape layer and go to center. Let's click here and change amount 100. And here we go. We can control this light like this and change zoom to brightness. And let's unsolo also this light unsolo. Okay, we can choose the shape layer, press T, change opacity like this. Now let's create amount keyframe, press U, go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3, change amount 80 or 95, 98. Okay, go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3, say first keyframe, copy paste. Let's see. Okay, and let's hold Alt, click amount keyframe, go to play button, property and loop out duration. Okay, that's good. So let's change the name lamp light and move to behind of these layers. Select this light and lamp. Let's move to here. Again, Control D for left and move to up. So let's fix this problem. Choose this lamp and let's select center. Okay. And also select this and move to here, this center. And press U for random light animation. Let's move to right these 3 keyframes. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's select these water layers and right click, pre-compose, add name, elements. And okay, let's select these all of them layers, press S, open scale, and go to 10 seconds. Let's create scale keyframe, go to back and change 0. Okay, let's back to main composition. Nice. So in this time, let's create raindrop. Go to shape layers and choose ellipse tool. And let's make shape layer like this. And go to fill, choose none, turn off inside the color and stroke width white and stroke width like this. Okay, in this time let's choose this shape layer. Let's go to solo and go to first second, press S and change scale 0, create scale keyframe and go to here, change scale 100 and hold shift press T, open opacity and create opacity keyframe and go to here, change 0 and make the keyframes easy or click F9. Let's see. Select keyframes, move right. Nice. So let's unsolo and let's see. Very nice. And let's make simulation. Select the shape layer and Ctrl D for duplicate, move to here and Ctrl D again, move to here and again duplicate a lot of versions like this. Let's do this fast. So I have duplicated these compositions. Let's go to solo this composition and open composition. I have 3 compositions like this. It's very easy and beautiful way for create raindrop animation. So finally, let's create camera animation. For this, I will use null object. Go to layer, new and null object. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click, pen behind icon. Choose selection tool and select these drops and rain and character and this lamp lightings and 3 main elements, city and backgrounds. And let's link to null object. Select null and press S, create new scale keyframe, go to last second and change scale like this. Okay, go to back. And in this time, for fix this lighting problem, let's choose this lamp light 2 and this layer. Let's make it composition. Light left. Okay, now let's link to null object. Let's see. Okay, it works. And also select this lamp light and this lamp. Let's make it composition. Light right. And link to again null object. Nice. And for add parallax, let's select this background element, press P, create new passing keyframe, go to here and move it down a little bit like this. And also background 3, press P, create new passing keyframe, go to last keyframe and move it down like this. And city, go to first second, press P, create new passing keyframe and move it down for C fake parallax. Let's see. Nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.